Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Chandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter, computer hardware chapter. We will understand some very important points that can help us our exam preparation. So stay with me till the end because every small points can make a big difference in your preparation. Let's begin. Computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch. Example: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, hard disk, printer, speaker, microphone. Computer hardware parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, motherboard, RAM. Parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Computer hardware: printer, monitor, keyboard, SMPS, mouse, hard disk, optical drive, motherboards, processor, RAM. Essential part of computer: CPU, central processing unit, monitor, LCD, mouse, keyboard. CPU stands for execute instructions and calculation. Network adapter converts to network and the internet. Peripheral external input output devices. Coding system prevents overheating. GPU renders graphic. Motherboard converts computer कंपोनेंट्स. रैम टेम्पररी मेमोरी और स्टोरेज जो है परमानेंट मेमोरी. PSU कन्वर्ट AC टू DC पावर. आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. Output devices are hardware devices that receive process data from a computer and present it to the user. Example: monitor, printer, speaker, projector, headphones, plotter. Look at the picture. Output devices: speaker, projector. Output devices send information out of computer, allow the computer to communicate with the user. Monitor produce soft copy of output. Projector, headphones, printer produce hard copy of output. Speaker produce sound. Types of printer: dot matrix, output of dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printer, the wheel inside daisy wheel printer. Impact printer, a printer that prints by physically striking and ink ribbon against the paper. Dot matrix, daisy wheel, line printer. Non-impact printer, a printer that prints without physically striking the paper. Inkjet, laser, thermal printer. Dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer. Output dot matrix printer, the wheel inside daisy wheel printer. Look at the picture. Non-impact printer, laser printer, inkjet printer or thermal printer or plotter. 4 types of non-impact printer are laser printer, inkjet or plotter and thermal. Types of printer. Two types of printer: impact printer or non-impact printer. Impact printer, character printer और line printer. लाइन प्रिंटर के फर्दर्स पार्ट हैं डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर. डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर, लाइन प्रिंटर, ड्रम प्रिंटर, चेन प्रिंटर, बेंट प्रिंटर. non-impact printer, impact printer, laser printer, thermal printer. Inkjet, dot matrix, ink, laser, thermal. System units. The system unit is the main part of a computer that contains important internal components. Main components: CPU, motherboard, RAM, ROM, HDD, SSD, PSU, cooling fan, expansion cards. Look at the picture. Cooling fan, CPU, heat sink, HDD, SSD, motherboard, RAM, power supply, parts and connections. Look at the picture. Video card, HDD, SSD. CPU, RAM, motherboard, CPU cooler, graphics card, PSU, hard drive, 5.25 base, 3.5 base, processor, CPU, power supply, graphics, RAM, hard drive. Components of CPU. Control unit, arithmetic logical unit, register, program counter, accumulator, MDR, MAR, CIR. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of computer because it processes instructions and control computer operations. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. CU control and coordinates computer activities. Register small high speed storage location inside the CPU. Look at the picture. Main memory, RAM and ROM. CPU, ALU, CU. Memory unit, cache memory, register. Control unit, RAM. Central processing unit, control register set, arithmetic logic unit. Major components of CPU. Central processing unit, ALU, arithmetic logical unit, CU control unit, register or cache memory. Primary memory, RAM, cache, GPU. Primary memory, cache memory or CPU processor. Primary memory is the main memory that is directly accessed by the CPU and store data and instruction currently in use. RAM, ROM, cache memory. Look at the picture. Primary storage in computer sciences. RAM, ROM, cache. Memories or primary memories. Next one is secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data, files and programs permanently. For example, HDD, SSD, pen drive, memory card, CD, DVD, external hard drive. Look at the picture. Hard disk drive, SSD, optical disk, USB flash. Secondary memory, hard disk drive, USB flash drive, solid state drive, secure digital card. Ultra A, YA, solid state external, SCSI, SATA. Memory unit explained. Memory units are used to measure the amount of data stored in a computer. Measure the amount of data stored in computer, called as memory unit. Look at the picture. 1-bit binary memory unit explained. 1 bit binary digit, 8 bit, 1 byte, 1024 bytes, 1 KB kilobyte, 1024 KB, 1 MB megabyte, 1024 MB, 1 GB gigabyte. One 24 GB, 1 terabyte. Look at the picture. Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Bit, single binary digit 1 or 0. Byte, 8 bits. Kilobyte, 1024 bytes. Terabyte, 1024 GB. Gigabyte, 1024 MB. Petabyte, 1024 TB. Exabyte, 1024 PB. Kilobyte, 1024 bytes. Megabyte, MB, 1024 KB bytes. Gigabyte, 1024 GB. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.